Are you in the market for a new chainsaw, but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing how to choose the right chainsaw for your needs. Whether you're a professional arborist or a homeowner looking to prune some branches, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. From power and bar length to safety features and maintenance requirements, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. What should be considered before choosing the right chainsaw? Purpose of use. Before you start shopping for a chainsaw, it's important to consider what you'll be using it for. If you plan on using the saw for light-duty tasks such as trimming branches, a smaller saw with a shorter bar length will be sufficient. However, if you need to cut down larger trees or perform heavy-duty tasks, you'll need a larger saw with a longer bar length. Power source. Chainsaws come in two power sources, gas and electric. Gas-powered chainsaws are more powerful and are typically used for heavy-duty tasks. They require more maintenance and are louder than electric chainsaws. Electric chainsaws, on the other hand, are quieter, require less maintenance, and are ideal for light-duty tasks. They are also more environmentally friendly and cost less to operate. Bar length. The bar length refers to the length of the cutting blade on the chainsaw. The longer the bar length, the larger the tree you can cut. However, longer bars also require more power to operate and can be more difficult to handle. If you're planning on cutting down large trees, you'll need a chainsaw with a longer bar length. However, if you're only planning on trimming branches, a shorter bar length will suffice. Weight. The weight of the chainsaw is an important consideration, especially if you're planning on using the saw for an extended period. A heavier saw will be more difficult to handle and can lead to fatigue and discomfort. If you're planning on using the saw for long periods, a lighter chainsaw will be more comfortable to use. Safety features. Chainsaws are powerful tools that can be dangerous if not used properly. Look for a chainsaw with safety features such as an anti-kickback chain and a chain brake. These features help prevent the saw from kicking back and injuring the user. Brand and price. Chainsaws come in a range of prices, with some costing a few $100s while others costing thousands of dollars. Higher-priced chainsaws typically have more features and are more powerful than lower-priced models. However, if you only plan on using the chainsaw occasionally, a lower-priced model may be sufficient. Brand is also an important consideration. Look for a chainsaw from a reputable brand that has a good reputation for quality and reliability. Some of the top chainsaw brands include Stihl, Husqvarna, and Echo. Accessories. Finally, consider any accessories that you may need for your chainsaw. For example, if you plan on cutting down trees, you may need a felling wedge or a chainsaw mill. If you're planning on using the saw for pruning, you may need a pole saw attachment. Make sure to factor in the cost of any accessories you may need when choosing a chainsaw. Thanks for watching. Choosing the right chainsaw can be a daunting task, but with the right information, it doesn't have to be. When selecting a chainsaw, consider the job you'll be doing, the size of the trees you'll be cutting, your skill level, and your budget. Don't forget to also factor in safety features, maintenance requirements, and the brand's reputation. Always read the manufacturer's instructions carefully and follow them closely to ensure safe and effective operation. For more tips on choosing the right chainsaw, check out our channel for other helpful videos.